Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of T.N.T. Garage and Performance, and today we're on day one of Hot Rod Power Tour 2024. It's actually Monday. We came down last night, yesterday afternoon, got pre-registered. We've already got all our credentials as a long hauler. So, well, I need to get down, get the car washed. We need to head to our first event. So, let's get to it. Well, all right, let's get the Challenger fired up and find a car wash. I want to go to an O'Reilly's to get some stuff to kind of clean the inside of the car that I didn't bring with me, of course. And head to, I think we're going to Beechbend Raceway Park today. So this is cool. This is my first power tour. Already met some awesome people, hung out last night here at the hotel, and there's some pretty cool irons sitting around here. So once we get fired up, might take a lap around and see what we got. So let's make a good amount of noise. Make sure everyone's up. That thing's got a Hellcat swap in it. It's pretty cool pickup. At a 49, I think. '30th anniversary Z. Well, first pass ever on the strip with this car, and we ran a 14.6. I'd like to get it going a little bit quicker. It's kind of hot today. I'm gonna get my butt kicked again, but we'll see how she does. I'm gonna take my helmet off and grab a drink of water. I'm actually gonna have the launch control set up this time because I just bogged it off the line, and I kind of ate my own ass on the reaction time. So hopefully with the launch control and being ready for it, we can break into the 13s. was planned. I tried doing a standing burnout, get a little more heat in the tires, and well, I decided to kill the car, so that worked out good, looking smart. But at least I caught a good light, and then I missed third at the 8th mile, so we need a redemption run before we call her good. Well, I could say we got pretty lucky here. The group I'm running with, they got a Nova with a small block in it that ate one of its rocker arms. Couldn't find one anywhere, and then this place here, the guy just happened to have a full set of what looked like Harlan Sharp ones, so they're fixing it up now. Even let them pull the car and change the oil. So that's the cool thing about coming off Power Tour is you're gonna find places like this that help you in a pinch. So that's pretty cool. Well, it's officially Power Tour Day 2. We're leaving Bowling Green. Just had breakfast with the crew of guys. Real pretty Nova and a super nice 56 Chevy. Stopped at Cracker Barrel, and now we're on our way to Nashville Superspeedway. Going the long way. Well, we're about 8 miles away from Nashville Superspeedway. Earlier on the trip, the 56 was having issues. He blew a fan fuse, but we got that swapped out. He's staying cool. And this thing is just gorgeous. Got an LS3 in it. Just a beautiful car. So, just grabbing some more ice, had a restroom break, and off to the Speedway. This thing caught my eye as soon as we pulled in. Well, that wraps up day 2 of Hot Rod Power Tour 2024. I wish I could have videoed more, but I was kind of busy ogling over some of the stuff. Also got to meet Lucky Costa today, so that was cool. And he digs my checker project, which is even cooler. Tomorrow, we are going up to Louisville and check it out up there. Staying at this awesome place in rural Tennessee. It's right up my alley. It's actually themed after the Great Lakes, so it's a little bit of home, even though I'm in Tennessee. And of course, you know, you got to have some roadkill on the television. So that does it for this episode. I'm going to do it in 2-day chunks, probably 3 days in the next one. Hope you stay tuned because, like I said before, this is my very first power trip, and so far it's been amazing. So if you guys haven't gone on power trip or something like this, I highly recommend it just because the people out here are amazing. I was lucky enough to get adopted into the group of guys I've been running with the past couple of days, so that makes it pretty cool to be able to come down here solo and wind up in a group out of nowhere and hang out with some really cool people and help them out when they have problems and just keep rolling along. So until next time, you can find me and my projects, of course, here on YouTube, and you can find me at T.N.T. Garage and Performance on Facebook and on Instagram at T.N.T. Garage and Performance. And remember to like, share, subscribe. And until next time, remember, if it ain't broke, fix it till it is. We'll see you soon.